Welcome to RightPath, your ultimate partner in navigating the IT career landscape. At RightPath, we specialize in empowering IT professionals and organizations with precise assessments and insightful guidance. Our platform offers customizable assessments, allowing you to tailor evaluations to specific skills and competencies, ensuring relevance and accuracy. With real-time performance analytics, gain immediate insights into strengths and areas for improvement, facilitating targeted development. Experience seamless integration with your current systems, streamlining processes and enhancing efficiency. We prioritize your data's security, providing a safe and confidential environment for all your assessment needs. Getting started as a student with the Platinum Plan is easy. First, sign up by entering your name and other required details. Once you complete the sign-up process, log in using your registered email and password. After logging in, students can access the skill set available under the Platinum Plan. Browse through the list and choose the skills that best match your learning goals. Once students select their desired skill set under the Platinum Plan, they will be directed to the payment page. Complete the payment process to unlock full access and continue your skill development journey with confidence. Once you complete the payment, you'll be automatically redirected to your dashboard. In the dashboard, users can update their profile and personal details, and those updates will be reflected instantly on their profile. In the dashboard, users can view details of the skills they've selected, track their test completion status, check test results, and access much more. Each skill you choose comes with a structured syllabus, along with mock tests and practice exercises. Each mock test covers a set of topics from the syllabus. Every mock test includes a variety of question types such as multiple choice, multiple response, true or false, and fill-in-the-blank questions. Answer each question one by one in the mock test. Before submitting, review the summary to see any unanswered questions so you can go back and complete them. Once you've answered all questions, submit the test to complete it. After submitting the mock test, you can view the correct answers along with detailed explanations for each question. Once you complete all the mock tests, you'll move on to the practice tests. Each practice test covers a set of topics from the syllabus. Just like the mock tests, every practice test includes a variety of question types, including multiple choice, multiple response, true or false, and fill-in-the-blank questions. Each practice test includes a set number of questions for each type: multiple choice, multiple response, true or false, and fill-in-the-blank. Answer them one by one to complete the test and strengthen your understanding of each topic. Before submitting, review the summary to check for any unanswered questions, so you can go back and complete them before final submission. After submitting the practice test, you can view the correct answers along with detailed explanations for each question, one by one. After completing all the practice tests, you'll move on to programming questions in the built-in compiler. This section is designed to give you real-time coding experience and help you apply your knowledge in practical scenarios. In the programming section, users are required to write the full code directly in the built-in compiler. Once the code is written and submitted, the compiler will execute it and display the output. If there's an error in the code, the compiler will highlight the issue and show the corresponding error message. For every programming question, a sample output is also provided to help you understand the expected result. After completing all the tests and programming exercises, users can view a summary of their completed tests along with the test results. Users can view their test history and download certificates for the skills they've completed with a score of 60% or above. We provide comprehensive practice in aptitude, logical reasoning, and verbal reasoning, essential skills for success in competitive exams, job assessments, and career advancement. Let's get started with RightPath, your smart route to career success.